Number 45. Find a slope of the tangent line at the point 2, 3. To find the slope of the tangent line, we need to find the value of dy dx at the point 2, 3. So let's find dy dx. Let's use implicit differentiation. Let's differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Now, the derivative of 5xy, we need to use the product rule. F times g prime, or the derivative of f times g, that's f prime g plus fg prime. So let's say f is 5x, g is y. The derivative of 5x is 5, and then we'll multiply it times g, which is y, and then minus. We need to distribute that negative sign. We have f, which is 5x, and then the derivative of y with respect to x is 1 times dy dx. Now, the derivative of y squared is 2y times dy dx, and the derivative of the constant 11 is 0. Now, for this problem, we could solve for dy dx and then plug in the point 2, 3, or we could plug it in right now, and we could still get the right answer. For this problem, let's go ahead and plug it in right now. 4 times 3 is 12. And then x squared, x is 2, so we'll have 2 squared, and then minus 5y, y is 3, and then minus 5x, x is 2, times dy dx, and then y is 3, so 2y, or 2 times 3 times dy dx is equal to 0. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10. Dy dx, we can write that as y prime. 2 times 3 is 6, and then there's another y prime next to that. Now what we can do is combine like terms. 48 minus 15, that's going to be 33. Negative 10y prime plus 6y prime is negative 4y prime. Now I'm going to move this to the other side. It's negative 4 on the left, it will be positive 4 on the right. So we have 33 is equal to 4y prime. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So y prime, which is the same as dy dx, or dy over dx, that's equal to 33 over 4. Now, 33 over 4 is not 0, and it's not equal to negative 7 over 6. We need to convert this to a mixed number. What is the highest multiple of 4 just under 33? That will be 32. So I'm going to break up 33 into 32 plus 1. Both of these will still be divided by 4. So 33 over 4 is equal to 32 over 4 plus 1 over 4. 32 over 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 over 4 is 8 1/4. So that's going to be the answer as a mixed number. Therefore, answer choice D is the right answer.